Searching for a dash cam that's both budget-friendly and high-performing? You're in the right place. In this video, we're showcasing the 5 best-selling dash cams on Aliexpress, trusted by thousands for their reliability, sharp footage, and smart features, all without the hefty price tag. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest videos. Okay, let's get started. Number 5. Catveer Dash Cam for Car. The Catveer 4-channel dash cam is built for drivers who want total coverage on the road. With front, rear, left, and right cameras, it records every angle in crisp Full HD 1080p. Whether you're in traffic or parked, it keeps you protected. Its 170 degrees wide-angle lens and f2.0 aperture deliver clear, wide footage. Thanks to night vision, low-light scenes still look sharp and detailed. Motion detection and loop recording ensure continuous, worry-free performance. This dash cam includes a built-in IPS screen for easy playback. No touch screen, but the 4:3 ratio display is bright and functional. Audio recording, G-sensor, and real-time surveillance add more safety features. It operates in extreme temperatures, from -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. The 6-meter corded electric setup and optional hardwire kit make installation flexible. A smart choice for full vehicle monitoring. Number 4. EACE 4K Dash Cam. The EACE 4K Dash Cam is a powerhouse for drivers who demand sharp visuals and smart features. It records in ultra-clear 4K from the front and 1080p from the rear, ensuring detailed footage in any condition. Equipped with a Sony sensor, f1.6 aperture, and wide 170 degrees plus 140 degrees view angles, it captures every road moment, even at night. Night vision, WDR, and 3D DNR help deliver crystal-clear images, day or night. Built-in GPS, radar detection, and ADAS offer added safety. It tracks speed and coordinates while alerting the driver of potential hazards. Plus, the supercapacitor ensures better heat resistance and longer durability. It supports up to 512 GB storage and comes with loop recording, motion detection, and parking monitoring. With a 3-inch IPS touchscreen and Wi-Fi app control, it's both modern and user-friendly. Reliable, powerful, and smart, the EACE dashcam is built to perform. Number 3. AZDOME M550 Dash Cam. The AZDOME M550 Pro is a powerful 3-channel dash cam built for serious road protection. It records in 4K front and 1080p rear, with a third interior camera for full coverage. Its 3.19-inch IPS screen delivers crisp visuals, while the wide 150 degrees view angle captures every detail. Equipped with infrared night vision and a supercapacitor, this dash cam performs reliably in extreme temperatures. Built-in GPS logs speed and location, adding useful data to every trip. Loop recording and G-sensor features ensure important footage is never missed. Wi-Fi support and app control make file transfers seamless. It even comes with a 64 GB TF card, charger, and installation tools. Plus, its 24-hour parking mode offers peace of mind when you're away from the car. With a sleek design, durable build, and advanced features, the AZDOME M550 Pro is a complete driving companion. Number 2. DDPAI 4K Dash Cam. The DDPAI Dash Cam Z50 delivers crystal-clear 4K front recording and 1080p rear coverage, ensuring every detail is captured on the road. Powered by the advanced Sony IMX415 sensor, it provides superior image quality day or night. Its f1.75 aperture and h.265 video coding offer efficient recording with enhanced clarity. Even better, the loop cycle recording ensures uninterrupted footage, while audio capture adds vital context to your drives. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS allow for real-time location tracking and easy video transfers to your smartphone. Plus, with support for up to 512 GB of storage, space won't be an issue. The Z50's dual-lens setup enhances safety and visibility, though the rear camera is optional. It operates reliably on corded electric power, with no built-in battery needed. Durable, sleek, and easy to install, this dashcam is a smart companion for any driver seeking high-end road security. Number 1. REDTIGER 3-channel car camera. The REDTIGER 3-channel car camera is built for total road awareness. With 4K Ultra HD front recording and 1080p rear coverage, it captures every detail from multiple angles. Its advanced Sony IMX335 sensor ensures stunning clarity, even in low light. Equipped with IR night vision, this dashcam performs flawlessly after dark. Thanks to 5G Wi-Fi and app compatibility, users can preview, download, or share footage instantly. It also includes an external GPS module to log speed and location data. The camera supports loop recording and has a 256 GB max storage capacity. With features like G-sensor, parking monitor, and real-time surveillance, it offers 24/7 protection. Plus, WDR and anti-fog technology ensure clear visuals in any weather. Built with a wide 130 to 170 degrees viewing angle and durable materials, the REDTIGER dashcam is the perfect combination of performance, security, and reliability.